In this video, I will tell you how to create WhatsApp group link to join. I begin to start back, and first you type WhatsApp, open WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp and open. Already you uh, create a group. This is here you can see this XYZ my group. Okay, so click group, open group, and that if you showing this is pop up or not showing this pop up, if showing, so click here and share link and copy share. If you not showing, so click middle top bar and scroll down, you can see invite this link. Okay, click. After that, click share link. WhatsApp, Facebook, copy, anything choose you. Okay, so this is way is very simple. So how to create group join, how to share, I told this video.